Popular Python frameworks and libraries. Python offers vast collection of libraries and frameworks that are widely used across various domains such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, web development, data science, and more. Here is the categorized list of some of the most commonly used ones. The first one is web development, that is server side. Django, a high level framework for building secure and scalable web application quickly. Flask, a lightweight and flexible micro framework ideal for smaller projects. Pyramid, a flexible framework that works for both small and large applications. CherryPy, a minimalist web framework for building web apps in a simple way. Second one, GUI based applications. Tkinter or Kinter. It is built-in GUI toolkit for simple desktop applications. PyGTK, toolkit for creating graphical interfaces using GTK. PyQt, Python bindings for the Qt application frameworks. PyJS, framework for developing rich web applications using Python and JavaScript. Third, machine learning and artificial intelligence. TensorFlow, an open source library for numerical computation and large scale machine learning. PyTorch, a flexible deep learning framework favored for research and development. Scikit-learn, a powerful library for classical machine learning algorithms. Matplotlib, a plotting library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations. SciPy, a library for scientific computing and technical computing tasks. Fourth, mathematics and data handling. NumPy, essential for numerical operations and working with arrays. Pandas, ideal for data manipulation, analysis, and handling structured data. Fifth, other useful libraries and tools. Beautiful Soup, for web scripting and parsing HTML or XML content. Requests, a user friendly library for making HTTP requests. SQL Alchemy, a toolkit and ORM for working with relational databases. Kiwi, a framework for building multi touch and cross platform mobile apps. Pygame, library for writing video games with graphics and sound. PyTest, a testing framework for writing simple as well as scalable test cases. Django REST framework, a powerful toolkit for building web APIs using Django. Fast API, a high performance web framework for building APIs with Python 3.6 plus. Streamlit, a fast and intuitive way to build interactive web apps for machine learning and data science. NLTK, the natural language toolkit used for working with human language data in NLP tasks.